It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the 1500. The driver's door has power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, 2 auto express windows and a child lock button. The left of the steering wheel has the power adjustable foot pedals and some lighting buttons and dials. This is the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. We've got a leather interior and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our audio buttons and the right side has our cruise control buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to use those arrows on the steering wheel to scroll through the dash. Up above, the power sunroof button and the programmable garage door opener. This is our infotainment center. It's a touch screen that displays the outside temperature, the time, also gives us our media options, the seat controls. We've got heated and cooled front leather seats, a heated steering wheel, also gives us our climate control buttons. Those buttons are also located down below. It's equipped with navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera. Again, those hard buttons are located down below for our climate control. We've got the trailer brake, traction control, tow mode, rear and front park assist, heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel button, the trailer brake, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and our engine push start button. At the front of the 1500, we've got fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 5.7-liter HEMI V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors are heated and have the turn signal indicator, running boards down below, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the button located on the door handle, a tonneau cover, and we've also got the rear window slider. As I make my way to the back here, I'll open up the tailgate. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner and cargo hooks. Taking a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck, the passenger door has power windows and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has a power plug-in and the rear fans. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can raise these rear seats for some additional storage. So come take a look at the 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.